This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is a story about wage withholding tax. And it turns out I just got off the phone about an hour ago with a longtime client, but this is an executive who got a new job 1 year ago, just crossed his 1 year anniversary at the new job. When it came time to prepare taxes at the end of the year, earlier this year, we're preparing 2022 taxes, and I noticed that his federal income tax withholdings was unusually low. Now, each of us has the ability to adjust our wage tax withholding if for some reason our life situation has changed or for some other reason, but generally, payroll systems do a pretty good job of estimating what our withholding tax should be. And I just say, as a generality, if you're working, pretty much very few people have less than 10%. In other words, 10 cents out of every dollar being withheld for taxes. And fairly few people go above twice that in withholding. So it's somewhere in that range. 10 to 20% is what we see most often for most working class folks. But in this case, this executive was withholding at a rate of 5.5%. And I suggested he go back to his portal for payroll and see what's going on, see if there's an adjustment in there that's not supposed to be there. Well, he called again today. We went over it again. Apparently, there's nothing there. And that's the point of this story. Sometimes, for no apparent reason, wage tax withholdings get messed up. Now, this is a young executive with a family, and we wound up $5,000 short last year, and we were headed towards another shortage of $7,000 this year. That's a lot of money to come as a surprise for a young working family. So at this point, we're able to do the calculation, and he is able to, it's not easy, not coming out of the family budget, but he is able to get the tax withholding back where it needs to be. And once that immediate pain is absorbed, it won't become an issue ever again. But it is important to pull out your pay stub. If you're not able to figure out how to check your wage withholding yourself, ask your accountant or me or someone, get somebody that knows how to do that check. And it's an easy thing to do and can save you a lot of emotional angst come next tax filing time. Thanks for listening. If you like what you saw and you want to see more like it, I invite you to follow me or subscribe. Join me here tomorrow for another Tax Minute.